Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, and we are here with Pat and Allie, and Bonnie and Pete.
Hello.
And we are at Il Corsaro. We are perusing the menu, but look, before we even ordered anything, Fakasha showed up. So I think we're going to be here a while. We're going to try a bunch of new things, and we'll take you along for the ride. Okay, so we got the mixed antipasti. Look at these cheeses, they're all made here. And then I love whatever this marinated thing is. Now they also have an appetizer here that's just different marinated things, and I'm going to try that next time. But I can't get past the prosciutto and the big ball of mozzarella di bufala and all these beautiful sausages. So we're going to dig in. Okay, now we have what we call pasta Michael, because Michael loves this dish. It is, it looks like tagliatelle with chickpeas, and I tried it the other day when he gave me a taste. It was so good. So, Michael, now this pasta is named after you, and whenever we order it, we're going to order pasta Michael. And even the waiter called it pasta Michael after we decided that was the case. So enjoy. And what did you get, Allison?
I got the pork chop.
Oh my gosh, I smell it. It smells so good.
They get it off. Yeah.
Got spaghetti con vongole. Look at that.
I know, right?
Oh my goodness. Oh, and Bonnie got the pasta Michael as well, so we're going to dig into that.
Well,
Pete,
good.
you got
Pasta that's a ragu calabrese.
Ragu
Good cooking
calabrese.
takes time. So.
Oh yeah, we had that. I had that last time. It was so good. Big chunks of pork in it and beautiful, beautiful noodles. Oh my!
When we were here before, so I don't know the truth.
So you got the you got
When she
tagliatelle
talked
instead of
about it
fusilli, but
to
it's the
us,
pasta
Yeah,
she said that she had
that's
these
fine.
funds by the end of the
Delish.
year.
Dig in, babe. Okay, so we got the Delice de Limone, which is the lemon cake. It's whipped cream on the outside and lemon cake, and then lemon filling on the inside. And it's so good. Let me show you what it looks on the inside. This is Allie's. Ooh, oh, you haven't found the inside cream yet. I can see it
Oh,
peeking
wait.
out. Oh, yeah,
There's
you've got
more.
a treat ready for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
So we're going to
keep
dig
digging.
in. Pete and I are going to split this. Il Corsaro in Scalea. You guys have to come here when you visit.